Hi everyone, we're back. Stay with us as we take you on our next adventure, which is over to VANLOVE FEST at Elvington Airfield. As you can see, we're stocking the van with lots of essentials. And even more essentials, just in case we run out. It's very early in the morning.
Stupid o'clock.
We're off on our travels again. We've been looking forward to this one for a while, haven't we?
Yeah.
It was a lovely calm day, which is great for me because I hate sailing. Nearly at the sea terminal. I'll go and get some cash now. English cash. We stayed overnight at a campsite which was £15 a night and 20 minutes away from the airfield, and headed there the next day. How exciting!
Recalculating route.
VANLOVE FEST.
It will be if we can actually get in there.
Turn back where possible.
Really not sure where we're going now. But
Following this van in front. Guess what? We're lost. Aren't we?
we're not lost, we're just exploring. I shouldn't have followed other people that were wrong.
No. Unless it's left here.
Calculating.
Oh, there it is down there. Yeah, York Air Museum entrance.
Airfield events.
where possible.
Yay!
Then
We're here. We can see them. We're going to be in a holding queue.
Woohoo! Whee! Off we go!
The event was really well organised, even with the amount of vans involved. We had our photograph taken, and we were shown where to park and set up in no time, ready to explore. There were plenty of places to choose from to eat at the festival, which is just as well because we didn't bring much food. Next place to explore, the bar. All the drinks were really reasonably priced. A pint of lager was £3.50, a shot was £3, and free mixers. Bargain. You can't say better than that.
It was a real party atmosphere at night with everyone gathered around the main stage area. It was bring your own chairs and sit where you like.
The main act on the first night was Rosala, and she didn't disappoint us. She was brilliant. Partied late into the night, and the silent disco headphones came out. Who knew they'd have such an effect? I was definitely in need of some R&R the next day, so I joined the wellness hub for some breathing exercises with Lindsay. I felt a bit better after that, so it was time to go and explore the show more. There were some absolutely stunning van conversions at the show. I fell in love with loads of them. Could have taken them all home with me. was also a competition to win one with the Brown Bird Company. I'm definitely entering that comp.
There was plenty of stalls at the show with a variety of products on offer. It makes a change to see some different vendors from the usual shows, and some of the products could even be personalised. The second night was Hawaiian Night, as if you weren't a guest.
Last day, bit of brekkie before we go. Another cracking day weather-wise, isn't it?
Stunning, been a brilliant event on it.
And we've just found out that we can get bacon and sausage bats about 200 yards from the van.
Yeah.
Well, it's our last day today. So we're just getting the van ready now for the big drive-off.
It's probably been the best event I think we've been to, hasn't it?
The best event we've been to this year. We haven't been to everyone. So I'm going to take my life in my hands today to get some footage for you. And I'm going to stand on the bed, poke my head through the roof and stick this camera out and hope for the best. Are we?
Yeah, so fingers crossed you can see the convoy.
Hopefully appreciate what I'm going to do for you.
Messing around, calling all you freaks and nerds. You're just missing what you want. My brother's going down the drain. My sister's living the dream. Everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. it's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind. But everything's alright, we don't give a damn this time.
That was mental.
Thank you. Thanks to everyone. Bye.
VANLOVE Fest 2023. Was it worth it?
Well worth it.
We'll be back hopefully for VANLOVE Fest 2024.
Join us next time as we head for a pint somewhere very special to Debs and go on the hunt for a very special tart.